Everybody please stand up. Glory, can you read the prayer?
My Father, Holy Spirit, Amen. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. And then give us the test, and deliver us from evil. Amen. Like the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher Jomar. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
Before you take your seats, can you pick up some pieces of paper or tracts under your chair? And after that, arrange your chairs properly. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
You will now take your seats.
Thank you, teacher.
For now, I will not check your attendance because later on, we will have a short quiz. And reminder everyone, we have a rules in our classroom. First is, if you want to answer, just raise your hand and do not answer me in chorus. The second is, if there is have a group activity, all you need to do is to participate. Lastly, is the respect. You need to respect everyone in our class. For this morning, we will have a new lesson. But before that, let us have a quick review. So what was our previous lesson? Anyone? Yes, Annalyn?
Our previous lesson, teacher, is all about exponential notation.
Very good. Our previous lesson is all about exponential notation. So what are the two parts of exponential notation? Yes, Annalyn?
The two parts of exponential notation, teacher, is base and exponents, teacher.
Very good. The two parts of exponential notation is base and exponents. So who can give me an example of exponential notation? Yes, Emily?
2 is exponent of 2.
2 raised to the power of 2. To write the standard form, 2 times 2 is equal to
4, teacher.
4. Now, do you have any questions or clarifications about our previous lesson?
None, teacher.
Okay, very good. For now, let us have a game. This game is called guessing game. All you need to do is to determine the next pattern of the item. For item number 1, teacher Jomar received 1 apple and 1 banana. On the second day, he received again 1 apple and 2 banana. On the third day, he expected to receive again 1 apple and 3 banana. How do you think did he receive on the fourth day? one apple and 4 bananas. For item number 2, Annalyn write letter AB on the first page. On the second page, he write AA and 2B. In the third page, he write 3A and 3B. So what do you think on the fourth page?
4A, 4B.
Very good. The fourth page, he write 4A and 4B. Now class, what have you observed in our little game? Yes, Jomar.
Teacher, there is a pattern or like a sequence po.
Very good. There is a pattern or a sequence. How can you say that there is a pattern, class? Yes, Karen?
Si Emily po.
Okay, Emily?
Teacher, as it progresses, there is the repetition and addition of items.
Very good. As it progresses, there is
A
repetition
repetition
or the addition of items. So what do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, Annalyn?
I think teacher, our lesson for today is all about sequence, teacher.
Okay, very good. Our lesson for today is all about sequence, specifically the arithmetic and geometric sequence. Now, let's define first. Before we formally begin, can we read first our objective? Everybody read its definition.
At the end of the 60-minute period, I will be able to formulate the rule in finding the next term in a sequence.
So at the end of the 60-minute period, you will be able to formulate the rule in finding the term in a sequence. So now, let's define first what is sequence. Everybody read.
It's a list of things, usually the numbers that are in order.
So, meaning sequence is a list of things, usually the numbers that are in order. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. As you can see, these numbers written as in order. So this number here is called
Sequence.
now class. Each item, each number that composed in a sequence is called a
Term.
again. Each number that composed in a sequence is called
Term.
now. There are two types of sequence. First is the arithmetic sequence. Everybody read.
It's a sequence of numbers such as difference from any succeeding term to its preceding term remains constant.
Okay, meaning arithmetic sequence is a number that are different from any succeeding term to its preceding term. That is remain constant. So for example, short 5. And the number of value is
3, 5, 7, 9.
so what is the next term of in a sequence? So as you can see, to find the next term, you are going to determine the common difference. So what is the common difference of these two numbers? The first term and second term. Okay, very good. The common difference of this number is 2. How about this one?
2.
Okay, 2 again. Another.
2.
Now, to find the next term, what we are going to do is to add
2.
So what number that we are going to write in the fifth term?
11.
Very good. So our 2 here is our rule. So that is an example of arithmetic sequence. Another example.
Excuse me, teacher, may I go up?
Sige, Annalyn. Come back immediately. Another example. The first term here is 4. The second term, 8. And the third term is 12. And our fourth term is 16. Now, as you can see, what is the common difference of 4 and 8?
4.
Okay, very good. Is 4. Another one.
4 pinakon, teacher.
Okay. 4. Next. The common difference of 12 and 16.
4.
Okay. 4. So what do you think is our next term?
20.
Okay, because it will add 4. So our fifth term is
20.
20. And our rule here is
4.
do you want an example?
Yes, teacher.
Now, find the next term of a sequence. So our first term here is
3.
the second term,
6.
third term,
9.
fourth term,
12.
the fifth term.
15.
Now we are going to find the sixth term. Now, to find the next term, we are going to determine the common difference of the preceding term and the succeeding term. What is the common difference of 3 and 6?
3.
Very good. The common difference is
3.
the next one.
3.
3 again. Next one.
3
Okay, 3.
3.
3. So what is our 6?
18.
Our sixth term is
8.
18. And our rule here is
3.
3. Are you following?
5.
5. Very good.
Yes.
How about if class, if we are going to find the 50th term? Now, to find the 50th term, we are not use this step to find the 50th term. We have a formula. Our formula here is
A
sub n plus
sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b.
so a sub n is the number of terms. The a sub 1 is our first term. And the n is the number of the number of term. And the D is stands for the common difference. Okay, we use this one as our given. So let us try to solve this one. So what was our first term?
5.
So a sub 1 represents as a first term. 5 plus the n represents as the number of.
Terms.
So what number of terms that we are going to find?
50.
50 term. 50 minus 1 times the common difference. What is our common difference?
5, teacher.
5 plus 50 minus 1.
49.
49
Times
times 5.
Bring down 5.
5 plus, bring that 5 plus 49 times 5.
Wait lang, teacher. Nag-solve kami. 245, teacher.
245. 5 plus 245.
250, teacher.
So our 50, therefore, our 50th term is
250.
250. Now let's proceed to the geometric sequence. Everybody read.
Is a sequence of non-zero where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one.
Okay, so geometric sequence is a sequence of non-zero where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one. So for example, so this is an example of geometric sequence. As you can see, to find the next term of this sequence, you are going to determine the common difference. This geometric sequence is all about multiplying.
Previous one.
So what is the common difference of 2 and 4?
2.
So the common difference here is
2 times 2.
example here.
Teacher, excuse me, teacher.
Okay, Brian.
Excuse me, teacher.
So, okay. Sige. So, our given number here is
3, 9, 27, 81.
so how many terms are there?
4
Four, teacher.
So we are going to find the
Fifth term.
so to find the next term, we are going to determine the common
Difference.
And what is the common difference of
Times
these?
8, teacher.
Multiplying it is times
3
another 9 and 27
times 8, teacher.
times 3. Next,
Times 3,
times 3
teacher.
again. And what is our fifth term?
243.
243, teacher.
Okay, our fifth term here is
248.
248. And our rule is
Times 3.
times
3.
3. Are you understood?
Yes, teacher.
Do you want another example?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, excuse a teacher.
Sige, Jomar. So our given number here is
4, 8, 16, 32, less 4.
so how many terms are there?
5. 4. 5.
So we are going to find the
6 term.
to find the sixth term, we are going to determine the common
Difference.
So what is the common difference of
2 times 2
times 2? The 8 and 16,
times 2
16 and 32
times 2
times 2 again.
times 2.
Since the rule is times 2, what is our sixth term?
128, teacher.
Our sixth term is
188.
And our rule here is
Times 2.
now another example. Our given here is
2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64.
now we are going to find the 30th term. To find the 30th term, we will not use this one because we have a
Formula.
And what is our formula?
8 sub n equals to a sub r to the power of n minus 1. Wow, kung mabait man yung mga classmates mo. Sorry, classmates.
So a sub n represents as the nth term. And the a is represented as
The
first term. And the r represents as the common difference. And the n is represents as the number of terms. So what is our first term? 2. Now, our common difference. Our number of terms is 30. So, so what is the result? So 2 times 2, 4. Since we are going to find
The 30th term.
so what? So find the 10th term using formula. So the given number here is so we are going to find the 10th term. To find the 10th term, we are use formula. So our formula here is A represents as the first term. Our first term is 2. Our common difference is 2. And 10 minus 1. 2 times 2, 4.
Jomar.
2 times 2, 4. Raised to the power of 9. So, let's calculate.
262,144 teachers.
So, therefore, our 10th term is
262,144.
Now, let us have a practice. Get 1/2 sheet of paper. So you are going to find the next term and give each rule. Who can answer number 1? Jomar.
Number 2, teacher.
Miss Annalyn, number 2. Number 3, Jonalyn. Number 4, Rauna. Number 5, Emily. Okay, let's check your answer. So our given here is
3, 7, 10, 13, and 16.
so our next term here is
19.
19. And our rule is
3.
who answer number 1?
Ako.
Okay, Jomar's answer is correct.
Correct.
Number 2, our given number is
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14.
our next term is
14.
14. And our rule is
2.
who answer number 2?
Ako, teacher.
Okay, this is correct. Number 3.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11.
And our next term is
13.
and our rule here is
2.
2 again. It is correct. Another
5, 10, 15, 20.
and our next term is
25.
and our rule here is
5.
it is correct. Number 5.
6, 12, 18, 32.
And our next term is
64.
and the rule is
I
5.
so teacher.
Okay, correct. Clap your hands. Now, let's have a group activity. I will divide you into 3 groups. To form your group, count from 1 to 3. Junalyn,
1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2.
okay. This is for group 1, group 2, I will give you 2 minutes to answer for that. first page. On the second page, he drew 4 balls. If the pattern continues, how many balls did he draw on the 20th page? So the formula here is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So our a sub 1 here is 1 plus the number of term is 20 minus 1 times 3. 3 is our common difference. 1 plus 20 minus 1, 19 times 3. So 19 times 3 is equal to 57 plus 1, 58. So the answer of group 1 is correct. Give 3 claps for group 1. Who will present group 2? Okay, Annalyn.
Direction is find the next 2 terms in each set of 12. First term is 1, second term is 2, the 3, the third term is 5, the fourth term is 7, the fifth term is 9. So we need to find the 6th term and 7th term. So the rule here is 2. So we add 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, and 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. So therefore the 6th term is 11 and the 7th term is 13. So letter B. The first term is 6, the second term is 12, the third term is 18, and the fourth term is 24. So the rule here is times 2. So we multiply 24 times 2 is equal to 48. 48 times 2 is equal to 96. Therefore, the fifth term is 48 and the sixth term is 96. So letter C. So the number here is 3, then the first term is 3, the second term is 9, the third term is 27, then the fourth term is 81, the fifth term is 243. So we need to find the 6th term and the 7th term. So we multiply times 3 because the times 3 is the rule. So 243 times 3 is equal to 729, and 729 times 3 is equal to 2187. Therefore, the 6th rule and the 6th rule is 729, and the 7th rule is 7th term is 2187.
Thank you, Annalyn. So let's check the work of group 2. Direction is find the next 2 terms in each set of a sequence. So the given number here in letter A is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And the common difference is 2. The next term of 9 is 11. And the next term of 11 is
13.
Letter B. The given number here is
6,
12,
18, 24,
and the common difference is
times 2.
is it correct?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
No.
Why?
It is the common difference is 6. 6 plus 6 is usually the numbers in order. So each number that composes a sequence is called a
term.
So the two types of sequence is the arithmetic and
Geometric sequence.
The arithmetic is a sequence of numbers such that difference from any succeeding term to preceding term. And if you're going to find the highest term, we are going to use this
Formula.
The next is the geometric
Sequence.
The geometric sequence is a sequence of
Zero.
where each term after first is found by multiplying the
Previous one.
And if we are going to find the highest term, we are use this
Formula.
There any questions or clarifications about our lesson for today?
None, teacher.
If not, we will have a short quiz. Get out your bottle. Pass it from
Thank you, teacher.
I will give you 1 minute to answer for that. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
How about the others? Are you done? Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Paper.
Drama, teacher.
Okay, get your assignment book. Can you read first our assignment?
Read and analyze the problem. Identify what is asked and find the next term of the given sequence.
Number 1.